Hi guys, this is Nina. Today I want to show you how to make world-famous Taiwan beef noodles. I chose this to be my first recipe for my new cooking series because beef noodles is my favorite food and Australian beef is one of the best quality in the world. As usual, let's see what are the ingredients to prepare. First, put the beef inside the boiling water and boil for 1 minute. Take the beef out and wash with fresh cold water. Now start the cooking preparation. Put spring onion inside. Second, put ginger and crushed garlic. Put the beef on the top. Then put star anise, crystal sugar, soy sauce, white wine, some black pepper. Lastly, pour fresh water to fill up the bowl and start cooking for 1 hour. We now cut the spring onion in ½ centimeter and put them on the side. Clean and wash by tie and put them on the side for later. Wash, dry and chop the pickled cabbage and put on the side for later use. 1 hour cooking is done. Open the cooker and use sharp chopsticks to check the beef. If the chopsticks can easily go through the beef, it means the beef is done. Remove the beef out of the cooker. Add vegetable oil into the cooker. Then put the crushed garlic and the red chili. Stir and cook until the garlic is lightly brown. Put the pickled cabbage in. And stir fry for about 2 minutes. Add small amount of soy sauce and some sugar and continue stirring for about another 30 seconds. Like this. And then it's done. For later, the next stage is to prepare the noodles. First, boil the water. Place the noodles inside the boiling water and cook it for 3 minutes. When the noodles are cooked, take it out and put it in a big bowl. Use the same hot water to cook a poached egg. When the poached egg is done, take it out and put together with noodles. Use the same hot water, boil the bai cai. Now, to complete the dish, put 3 pieces of sliced beef, and handful of chopped spring onion, pickled cabbage. Lastly, pour the noodle soup on the serving bowl. Here we are, the world famous Taiwanese beef noodles for you. Beef noodles and spring onion pancake are the best combination. Our next recipe, we will show you how to make spring onion pancake. Now it's time to taste our food. The beef noodles has amazing flavor, particularly in the cold winter. A bowl of beef noodles is every noodle lover's to die for. Thank you for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Our every new video, you will be the first to know. Thank you and enjoy your cooking. We see you next time.